Alright, so when I did the spark plugs, I saw that there was a lot of carbon inside the spark plug wells with the GDI engine. So I'm gonna try some maintenance here. This little hook thing goes inside the throttle body and you kind of put it back on and then start the car and run it. I'm supposed to keep the car at 2000 RPM and then also spray the bottle, so I'm gonna have to either rig something up or ask someone for help. Okay, so just looking at this, my hose came like this. It's not really how it's supposed to go. The red hose piece is supposed to curve all the way in the channel and kind of shoot backwards against the throttle body plate as you open it. So, all right, so we've kind of got this on here. All right, so the plan is to take this off a little bit, stick that in there, and then put this backish. Okay, it's kind of backish. And just so that we have some sanity here. Connect this guy here. So I've already started the car, warmed it up a little bit, kind of. I wish this was longer. How ridiculous. You should be able to spray this from inside of the car. All right, let's go figure out how to keep the RPM at 2000. All right, I have this candle. It seems kind of heavy. Let's see. Is there enough? Actually, no, it's not. I have to like hold that kind of pressure. I need a little bit more weight. Let's see. All right, we've got the car on. And I have these two wheel chokes. I'm gonna put one here. One there. Come on. Oh man. Plan B, I've got the steel rotor here. It's hard to get it to stay at 2. Come on. It's so hard. It's sensitive. Yes. Too much weight. Put this here. Stupid electronic throttles. Come on. If I give you constant pressure, you should just give me constant throttle. What the heck is that? Why is it doing that? This is so hard to get this like this. me hold this at 2,000 RPM. Go ahead and try to hold it. That's way too much. 2,000. 2. Hold it at 2.
Where's the 2? Oh.
Yeah, try to like hold it at 2, see if it'll stay. Go really slowly. What you could do then is start to go between 2 and 3. And just keep it between 2 and 3. Yeah, don't let it fall below 2. Off and go for a drive. Oh, it's smoking. There's a lot of smoke. It's hard to see it. You can see it on the rear view though. There's a lot of smoke there. Woke it up a little bit. I don't see any smoke really. Alright, we're not seeing smoke, which is good. I did this is because I was starting to get a stutter at idle, and obviously that when I pulled the spark plugs, I could see inside the valley, and there's a bunch of carbon there, so oh, there was a little bit of hesitation there, but still an improvement. I guess I would do another bottle, and considering that I have 77,000 miles, and this is the first time I'm doing it, and I'm supposed to actually have like a cleaning done at this mileage, pretty much 80,000, right, to have a carbon cleaning done. So if this can keep that full cleaning at bay for another 20,000-30,000 miles, I'd be happy. If not, you know, it is what it is. We'll get the tools and make it done, make it happen. But for right now, that was just one little hiccup. Second little hiccup, but that's better. Yeah, that's better. And you can feel it in your butt, you know, there's like a little shake. Oh, a little bit of a rumbling. But otherwise smooth. I like it. I like it. Very happy. Yeah, we'll do another round pretty soon.